Participation in the Calgary Middle Level School Amateur Athletics League is offered for students in grades 6 to 9 here at Marshall Springs. In addition to the competitive CML-SAA teams, Marshall Springs will also offer a developmental recreational program for grades 6 to 9 students. These opportunities will be based upon student interest and the ability to acquire coaches. If you are interested in becoming a volunteer coach or helper, please contact the phys ed department.
At Marshall Springs, we offer cross-country between September and October, volleyball between September and November, wrestling between November and January, basketball between January and March, badminton between April and May, and track and field also between April and May. Students are encouraged to try out for more than one activity or all of them based on their interests. For additional information about our athletics program, we encourage you to visit the Extracurricular tab on the Marshall Springs website.